All right, you guys, we have this beautiful SF90 here. As you guys remember, this car was on the darker side. We went with a very, very beautiful, nice chalk gray PPF. Came out perfect. So it's more of a light gray, white mixed. Looks really, really good. Also, we did door jambs on this car. This was very, very hard to do. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. As you see, we have one color. Looks very, very nice. Everything's done on the inside of the doors, also on the body. Also, this car had sort of like matte black wheels, I believe. They weren't really nice as they are now. So we did gloss black powder coat wheels to make sure everything matches with the car. Gloss black wheels, gloss black roof as it had already. Also, we put some beautiful stripes on this car. He wanted some nice stripes with black and yellow to match the interior. So everything came out good from the trunk all the way to the hood. Let's take a look at the front. As you guys can see, we put some lines on it as well, from the front to the back. Car came out really nice. Again, this was a very, very unique build, but this car is gonna have some more goodies coming its way. But for now, this is the completion of this car. But stay tuned, after we're gonna do a kit and wheels on this car as well.
Hello. We have a plethora of parts behind me here. Don't mind that SVJ hood, but look at all this. There's about 28 pieces right here for a Rivolto. This is a 1016 Industries full wide body carbon. Don't eat partially popped corn nuts because you can't talk after. We're gonna be installing this on a purple car that we're more than likely gonna wrap in matte white. That's what we're leaning on. But this build is gonna be probably in about a month or so. We are backed up, so the car's gonna come in later to do it. But for now, the parts have been secured. We're gonna store them. Like I said, 28 pieces, full wide body, carbon on a Rivolto.
We are saying our farewells to this SF90, beautiful red SF90. Yeah, so this car had two broken wheels. We replaced both wheels, one front, one rear. Also, the door latch, driver's side door latch wasn't functioning correctly. We put in a new one. That is the old one right there, you guys. So yeah, everything's good now. This car's good, tire pressures are all set. Everything's good to go. It has been test driven, washed, customers on the way.
Really, the other day I want a haircut. I go in inside the place and I say, I come back tomorrow. Man, that place got busy, bro. So we're working right now on the Brabus barricade. We started right now those pieces for the pieces for the front bumper. This is a lot of parts to put them on. A lot of.
The Mansory.
Huh?
Is this harder or the
Mansory, it's beautiful.
That one came out good.
Yeah, it came out good. I don't know what the people are gonna say when they
liked it. Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Some 50-50.
Yeah, I cannot say that people doesn't like skaters. I can, because it's
Whatever
something you like, whatever you don't like. For all the people who doesn't like it, what I'm saying is this is a lot of work. Really, it's a lot of work, and sometimes it's not do everything by myself. And in that case, my partner, my friends over here, you know, when we need help, so everybody help, you know, but we have to deliver the car on time. That's the thing. If they promise this car, for example, they promise this car for tomorrow, and I have a lot of things to do. So the people come and say, hey, go, put your hands over. So this Javier, Ovo, this is how it works, you know. But this is a lot of work to do installations, and we try to do the not perfect, because perfect's only God. But the thing is, we try to do the best on the work, and we try to do whatever we have to deliver, we have to deliver. But thank you so much for watching, and the video, in the next video, we see the results on this car. All right then. So I hope it's gonna be okay. Ciao.
A hectic week, tired, dead tired. Brabus SF90 going back to the client's house after the tire blowout. Good to go, so being delivered right now. This is a very nice one, you guys. You guys remember this one. We have this beautiful Mercedes here. It's a matte black one. We are painting the hood. Felix is almost done. I paint again. Okay, so Felix he's joking around. He's in a good mood today, which is good. We need people in good moods. When you work, you gotta be in a very happy environment. Your day goes by better, faster, quicker, friendlier, and all that stuff. Back to work. He's painting the hood. We're almost done with it. We're going to take the car out. Obviously, let it dry a little bit, and then after that, we're gonna see if there's anything else we need to do. Get it ready and release this thing to the client this week. And Felix has a lot of stuff to paint after this. So yeah, he's busy day. Just wanted to give you guys an update on this Mercedes.
In gray, brand new 2025 G63 right here. As you can see, this is the bicolor edition, but we are gonna be doing a full Brabus kit on this. We are gonna not do the black, we're gonna do it all Arabian gray, and it's gonna look way more sporty. So look at this before right here. Looks clean, but this is very boring compared to what it's gonna become. So stay tuned on that. Starting October 1st, Brabus prices are going up 15%. So if you want your Brabus, I mean, it's already probably too late. You're gonna be paying 15% more starting in October. It's not us, it's Brabus, and it's unfortunate, but yeah, a lot going on. You guys know we're doing a 1016 Industries Cullinan over there in satin pearl white. I'm excited for that because that's going to be a different take on the Cullinan. And then we have apparently 2 more Mansory Cullinans that we're going to do, maybe even 3 actually. So that's a little wild. I got such amazing feedback on the last Tempest Gray Cullinan. That car sold while the car was headed back to TBTFW. So sold like this, and we're gonna do another one and another one for somebody else. So it's getting a little bit heated over here. We still have regular body shop cars we're doing. We're still finishing up a China Blue 2024 Brabus over there. A lot going on, so stay tuned.
We have a accident car here, the right front. Good thing that this accident actually happened very close by, because the customer actually drove here, so pretty bad. But good thing that he was close by, so he got the car to us. He was less than like a minute away, so right down the street. Yeah, so we're gonna go see what we need. We already claimed the accident. We're gonna start tearing it down, see what's going on, and we'll go from there. Get this car back to 100%.